Terrell-A-Vision, Terrell-A-Vision, Terrell-A-Vision. Clap your hands now. Terrell-A-Vision, 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 Terrell-A-Vision.
I know what you better do. You better take that trash out.
Hello, audience, and welcome to another episode of Terrell-A-Vision. So today I wanted to talk about how the steady... excuse me. The heck? Oh my. That's a slip disc. Yep. Bruce!
Oh, hey Terrell.
What are you doing?
I just got hungry, so I got some food.
Get your own fridge. Why do I have to go through mine?
And a couple of bowls of cereal.
A bowl of cereal?
Yeah.
You ate... You did not. Did you? Bruce, why you gotta eat up all my... You... Oh, you ate the... What? What the... Okay, Bruce. So first we up all my cereal. This bag I just got yesterday, okay? This is a whole new box. I'm already almost out of cereal. Second off, why would you leave the box open, but then leave the bag out by itself?
Well, I read this article on recycling, and it said that you shouldn't mix plastic with paper, and the bag is plastic and the box is made of paper, so I decided they should get put apart.
Why'd you have to eat cereal? There's all this food. It's a kitchen. There's food everywhere. Like, just look. You see, Bruce, this right here, this is called a pantry. It's filled with all of your dry... Bruce, are you serious right now? Bruce, why was the milk in the pantry?
Well, I didn't want the milk to get too cold because people have sensitive teeth, and I didn't want their teeth to get hurt drinking cold milk.
No, that's not where milk belongs. It's... Bruce, did you use this in your milk? This expired 4 days ago.
Oh, that's why the cereal was so chewy.
Okay, no. You need to respect this. You're always at my house anyways. Respect my house. Respect my fridge. Get your own fridge. It doesn't cost that much. Oh my God. This is crossing the line. Honestly, how you about to put my milk on? Are you serious right now? Bruce, put the chips down. Nah, you're not gonna get away.
Terrell, please